In this video, we're going to show you how to install the front sway bar end link on your Jeep Wrangler located behind your front wheels. Using a 19mm socket, go ahead, loosen and remove your lug nuts. Once you remove the lug nuts, remove the wheel and set it aside. Use an 18mm socket to loosen the nut here and a T55 Torx bit on the front to secure that bolt. Remove the nut, the washer, and the bolt. Use a 15mm socket to loosen and remove the nut on the upper portion of the link. Go ahead and work this out. Install the link and get that nut started on there. Let's go ahead and snug that down. I want to go ahead and line up your end link so it's going to line up with the chassis right here. Now on the top, we're going to use a number 5 Allen, and on the top, we're going to use a 15mm wrench, gear wrench. I want to go ahead and tighten this down. I want to make sure that's good and tight. I'm going to go ahead and install our lower bolt. Go ahead and take your bolt. I'm going to slide this through. Take the washer, put it on the other side. Take the nut and go ahead and thread that on. Now let's go ahead and tighten this down and torque it to 70 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and torque the upper nut to 45 foot-pounds. Go ahead and install your wheel. Get our lug nuts threaded on here. Once we have all these started a few threads, we'll go ahead and snug them down. Go ahead and torque down your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.